His eyes is nice.
His eyes are wide open today. And he has his ears. He holds them straight back there and curls them. Oh.
It's a tri-colored male.
Yes.
Got a little white chin. A little white on his chin.
You look at his tongue. He does what Chip does it.
What's her name?
Izzy.
Izzy. Yeah, she's gonna be a little one.
Yeah, she's little.
She's the littlest one of the litter so far.
Either her or, well, maybe. Maybe there's a little white boy that might be about her size. She's the only girl Sam has. She's little this time. Little tri-colored girl. And she's got a real cute little face. She'll be a little 5 or 6 pounder. She's real sweet. Here's Sam's little more white boy. He looks more pure white right now, but he actually will have some cream on him. A little cream here and there. He's real sweet. He's a little boy, and we call him this one Snow, the one that's more white. Sam's tan and black boy.
What's this one's name?
Shadow.
Shadow. So he's kind of like a tan with a black muzzle, white chest, little black on his ears, and he's got a little dark dorsal.
So gonna be a real pretty
little
boy.
Dark on his feet. Let's see his tummy. Your hand's kind of right in the way of the tummy, dear. Yeah, okay, very good. Now I can see him. So this is Squeaky, and he's a little bit different. He's got, his nose is not quite all black. He's got a little different color on his nose.
He's really pretty though.
And he's got a little more cream color to him. He's not pure white.
It's hard for me to tell today, but which one's more cream? Let me get the other one out and we can compare them a little. I guess they're right about the same size right now. I actually think he's a little bit heavier. He feels heavier in my hand.
You get him up high again.
Hi, everybody. Those are her little twin
their
white
paws
ones.
look a little, see the one's got a little black on his paw. The one on the right there.
Well, yes, plus...
The other one has the black on the paw.
Okay. You went to see your mommy. Let's put you back in. That's Sam's litter.
All of them?
Yep.
She had 5. She's got... She has...
She's got one little girl and 4 boys.